Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add background art on Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, we have to open editor and select the section and click on pencil icon and select background, and now select art, and from this list select any art. So I'm selecting this one. So the art has been added, and to customize the art, click on this icon and you can select any preset. And you can change the background color. Also you can change the image tint. You can change the scale. Also you can change the number of images. So this was how we can add background art on Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.